Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Scenic, Easypaisa account, active SIM, and good internet. Once ready, open the Easypaisa app and tap the verification or profile section. If the app cannot enroll, go to an agent kiosk. Agents handle biometric capture and linkage. Make sure the phone screen is clean, lighting is even, and fingers dry. These small details matter because fingerprint sensors fail on smudges or moisture. Once you tap Enroll, follow on-screen prompts to position your finger as instructed by the app or agent. Next, focus on capturing a high-quality fingerprint. You will be asked to place your finger flat and center the pad on the sensor. Press gently without sliding. The app or agent will collect several impressions, full and partial, to build a reliable template, so follow each prompt and lift only when instructed. You also must confirm your scenic data and approve via OTP or agent-provided code. This links the biometric template to your account, reducing fraud and enabling quick future logins or transactions. To finish, wait for the enrollment confirmation and immediately test by logging in or performing a small authenticated action. This verifies the fingerprint template works with your profile. If the sensor repeatedly fails, retry with a different finger, clean the sensor, or visit another certified agent because hardware or technique varies. If problems persist, keep the agent receipt, note their reference ID, and contact Easypaisa support with scenic details. This helps resolve mismatches and escalates template recapture when necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.